Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of Bullance Prime. In this video I'm going to share with you that two more important candlestick pattern, which is 3 white shoulder and 3 black curves. So we are going to explain that how this candlestick pattern is work, and every process I will share with you in this video. So before starting this video, I'm going to request you if you're watching my channel, and you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update like this type of videos. So let's get started. So here you can see, first of all we are going to explain that the 3 white shoulder pattern, how it's basically work. So 3 white shoulder pattern, so you can see I have opened my chart 1 here. So you can see the 3 white shoulder pattern. The first condition is have to be 3 candle again and again, and every candle need to be closed and start this after before this candle. So it have to be started in every candle. This after this candle it was closed, and this candle need to be closed in above this candle, and this candle need to be closed above this candle, and this is need to be total of 3 candle at least minimum. And this important thing is this should be pattern, should be formation in the chart bottom. So you can see this is in the chart bottom, so we can see a clear this white shoulder pattern. So now we need a confirmation one here for making a trade. So first of all, so for that we can go for a, so let me start it again. Let's forward it one candle, and you can see we have got a confirmation candle that it was a complete 3 white shoulder pattern. So now this is a 3 white shoulder pattern, is a bullish momentum, this is a bullish pattern. So we can go for long in this area. So for example I'm buying it one here, and then we need a stop loss to at least below this the white shoulder low, and this is we are going to this 11 pip loss. So we can target at least 2 pips, which is at least 1:2. This trading ratio will be there. So that's all. Now we can go for play that what is gonna be going on there. So you can see it was moving like this way, and it was all right. We already hit that our target. So as we can see, there's we can smash that hit our this 1:2 ratio. We can all easily get this target. So if we want this continuation more, so we can get also that 1:3, 1:4 and more, but this is not the concern for the continuation pattern. So this is important thing is when we're going to getting this 3 white shoulder pattern like this, so where will be that our entry and where will be our stop loss and where will be our target. So the target at least 1:2 ratio, that will be better, but you can also target this 1:1 or less than more, or you can get this 1:2, 1:3 if you go for the continuation of this trading. This chart is going on moving there. So that's all. We can get this a small target which is 1:2, and with this managing a good perfect this stop loss available there. Just they will below this or this 3 white shoulder below, and we can target this, and we can get this the smash that our hit is successfully. So this is how the 3 white shoulder pattern is work. Now we're going to explain that the 3 black curves, the 3 black curves, how it's work, and this is process and everything I will share with you. So 3 black curves is basically a bearish pattern, and this is the same thing about 3 white shoulder, but this should be opposite system. So it means the 3 white shoulder should be this candle, should the formation should be created on the chart top area, and this should be formation should be in this below this the downside. It should be created this same 3 candlestick pattern like this, and the same one the 3 candlestick pattern. So now that's all. We can see this is a top area, we have made that condition. So now we can simply go for the short, which means is sell trade. We can go for it. So now I'm gonna open my short trade. So above this candle, and this is our stop loss, this above this, but I want to make some more safely trading in there. So we can go for the last high. This is one last high and above this high. So that's all. Now we can target, this is we are expecting this 6.51 pip, so we can target at least 12 pip. So that's all. We can see this is 12. All right, now it's a 6.5 pip, so we can target at least 13 pip. So that's all. So this is our 13 pip target, and let's see that where the market is gone and where the trade is going on there. So now you can see it was going on continuation, and it was going perfectly, it was done, and you can see that we smashed that hit, and this target has been smashed out, and you can see this successful, the target is as if one there, this 1:2 ratio, and this is the same thing again. So because of this, at least minimum 1:2 ratio is perfect. And if you see that this market is not giving you that such a condition, so you can take a 1:1 ratio about there, but that's also good. But I recommend you at least 1:2. If your trading setup is not made that 1:2 setup, so then you can ignore the trade. So this is the simple thing. So that's all. There you can see that how this works, the 3 white shoulder pattern and 3 black cross pattern. So how is the bullish and bearish momentum, and why exactly we need to enter on the market, and where is the stop loss, and what will be the target. So you can see in this video completely. So if you want to get more videos just like this, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Also you can check our website. We have cited some blog about this candlestick pattern, and you can check our other videos also, that where we have explained that how this candlestick pattern is work. So that's all, and thanks for watching this video.